What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. I'm here for a market review, market recap. So this is what we have on the agenda today. So we're going to be doing a lifetime Discord giveaway at the end. We're going to be looking at the trade recaps, the short play I took, weekly calls, talking about the live screen share, and then we're going to do Tesla, NVDA, SPY outlook, as well as the Trading Wars seminar, okay? So hit me with an 11 if you're ready to rock and roll, and hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. And let's get right into this. Okay. All right, guys. So the first thing is we the market opened not too long ago. Here is the 6 p.m. candle. Okay. And you can see we're just doing pretty much nothing really. We're in a little tight range, so nothing to be concerned about. And we're going to swap over here. And then the first thing that I want to start off with today, guys, is I want to talk to you about the short that I started off the week with. And I want to talk to you about being able to adapt your trades. Okay. Adapting your trades is very, very important. So what I'm going to do right here is I want to take you guys on a journey today. If you're really eager and you're ready to learn, put your seatbelts on. Okay. And let's do this together. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the replay. All right. So I'm going to walk you through this trade. So I actually made $766 last week shorting, okay? And you might say, Rich, how is that possible? Because the market just went up, right? And yes, it did go up. And I'm going to teach you a way of just trading Fibonacci for good risk to reward. You hit it in and out. And then if you win it big, guys, you can win thousands, right? But at the same time, if you can still protect your trade, you can still walk away with a profit. So I'm going to show you that. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to go back and we're going to draw the range coming into the week. Okay, so I'm walking you through my thought process last week, and then we're going to do the same thing this week. Okay, so here was the relative high right here, and then I'm going to paste this down here. Here was the relative low, okay, of the week. And I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm in Las Vegas right now. I'm traveling, and there's the volcano show that's happening in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear that, so I apologize if you hear that noise. But hit me with a 10 if the audio is clean. So I apologize if you guys hear that. But anyways, so let's go into this and I'll walk you through this trade that I took here. Okay. So when you come into the week, you always need to have the previous week's high and low so you can understand the range that you're coming into. Okay. So I'm going to play this candle here, guys, and then I'm going to show you my short. Okay. So this was my short that started the week. So let's go ahead and let's draw this together. So what is this? Okay, so if I take my Fibonacci from the high right here to the most recent swing low, we have a 618 pullback. Okay, so my main process in trading is always hunting the 618 because the 618 is a 61.8% discount. Okay, I'm always looking for that pattern. So we initially take this short right here on the 618, and then boom, 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 boom. We had a really nice reaction. Okay, so I'm going to hop into the Discord here and I'm going to show you something. So I want to show you that short. I just want to walk you through the emotions of being a trader. All right, so I'm going to show you this 1 second here. So this trade was up $2,159. Okay. This was at the peak. So when we were coming in here, and this is Tuesday morning, I was up over $2,159. So you could see my entry short was right here on the 618. Okay. And I had a stop loss right above this last wick over here, this doji wick. Okay. So let's ask ourselves this question. So we're up about $2,000. What should we do on this trade? Okay. And the most important thing that I want you guys to take away from this is after this short trade played out, I went ahead and I went long for the rest of the week. But I'm trading the price action as it's presenting itself for me. So right here, guys, you could see I'm up $2,000 on the short. See right here. And I'm feeling great. So at this point, I went ahead and I moved my stop loss to break even. That's one of the biggest tricks you can do to increase your profitability is get your stop loss to break even. Okay, what's going on, Anthony, King of Fibs? What's going on, Otis, V? What's going on, brother? Dr. D. So I got my stop loss to break even, and then we started to push right back up. Okay, So this is really important because I was able to get my stop loss to break even. And then I went to the hourly chart, okay? And then I moved my stop loss right above this body of this candle. So right here, okay? And we came all the way back and ended up, watch this here, guys. Came all the way back up and had a massive loss, okay? So even though this trade didn't play out, I still walked away with $766. And that right there, guys, that's the power of the fibs, because I knew that I have a high chance when I take this 618, at least I'm going to get some kind of reaction. And if I can get some kind of reaction, I could put my stop loss to break even. I could trail a little bit of profit, and at least I'll make some money. Okay, hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. And then you're going to see here, guys, what I ended up doing is I ended up writing my calls that I had here for over $1,300 in profit. But the key thing that I wanted you to take away from that lesson there, from this trade, is being able to adapt. All right. If I had a bias and I only wanted to short, I would have blown up my account last week. But I still took $766 in profit. And then I moved over to these SPY calls that I had purchased the week before. And I just sat in these and let them run. Okay. So you can see here, guys, on March 22nd, which was last Friday, I sold 2 of my calls, March 22nd, 24, 511 calls, for a total of $2,230. Okay. So I bought both of them for $4.48. So I'll show you guys right here. All right. So I just want to show you, my friends, here. So I bought these back on March 11th. So right here. So this was the original setup. And then you can see right here, guys, I bought them at $4.48. Okay. And I will walk you through that setup right now. Okay. So this was the initial buy. And I'm going to talk to you about why I like doing the options with the Fibonacci and the swing trades. Okay. So the most important thing when you're trying to draw your anchors is always look to the left. Okay. So here is where we are. Look to the left. Okay. So you can clearly see here, guys, on the left, we have a few anchors. We have this low too high. Okay. And we also have this low too high. And then if you look over here, we actually have this open gap. We have this gap over here. So anytime you see a large gap in the market like this is a great place to start your anchor, because you know that this gap is not caused just by retail. It's caused by probably institutions. It's caused by news, FOMC, CPI, all that different stuff. So that anchor point now is a strong pivot point, because it takes into consideration a lot of volume, a lot of trading, a lot of transactions. You move to 4 if that makes sense. Okay. So I went ahead and took these calls right here at 4.48. Okay. And one of the things I noticed about these calls is it actually completed one of my favorite patterns that I've been trading all years. This is a Fibonacci harmonic Trading Wars Dragon pattern. So right here, guys, watch me. Low to high, pull back, new high, completion on the 618 right there. Okay. So this pattern I've been trading a lot these days, and I find it very, very reliable. So I went in here, guys, with about $900 of risk, and I cashed out $2,230, which is amazing. So let me just go ahead and fast forward. Bang. Okay. So I always take 2 weeks out, one strike out the money, and I got out of that on Friday at the close. And I've been on a really, really powerful winning streak with these option plays. I've been insane. I've won the last 5 option trades in a row. Okay. So it's been a really good run. And all I'm doing is the exact same thing that I keep showing you. Anytime there's a pullback, anytime there's a dip, I take the Fibonacci from the low to the high and I wait for the 618. And if you actually look over here, guys, there was another opportunity to get the 618 again right there, but I did not take this one because I already had this one right here. Okay, hit me with an 11 if that makes sense. But what I'm trying to teach you here, guys, I'm trying to teach you something that's so critical, is hunt for the discount. Okay, if you bought calls right here, those calls can be read. If you bought calls up here, those calls can be read, because the market has Greeks with options. However, when I'm buying the 61.8% discount pullback, I'm already getting a discount on the Greeks because it's going down and I'm buying calls. Okay. Hit me with the 5 if that makes sense. That's so important. The one thing that I could teach you guys today, my friends, is risk to reward. That's all I would love to teach you guys. Okay. So right here, this went for 148%. It was about 2.5 times. Okay, so let's go ahead here to the Trading Wars website, and I'm going to pull up something for you guys right here. Let's go to the resources page. Actually, yeah, let's actually go to my book right here, and let's get to the risk to reward table. So I'll show you guys this. Okay, 1 second. Let's see if I can find a risk. Okay, so let's go to page 59. So this is my Fibonacci book. Okay, so right here, guys. So with this option play right here, I made 2.5 times my money. So let's go to the table here. So I'm right in the middle between 2 and 3. Could you alert these SPY? Yeah, the SPY calls are alerted right here, brother. I'll show you. Dragon setup 1 hour long. I am in the 511 calls March 22nd. Okay, so this was alerted at March 11th at 8:19 Pacific. Okay, which is 11:19 Eastern, and I also post the screenshots here. All right, brother. If you're looking for that, make sure you follow the Dragon SPY Lottos channel. Okay, and then I just walk people through these step by step every single day, guys. I'll walk through them step by step. I also do voice notes. Okay. Anyways, back to what I was showing you guys here. So we are in the middle here between the 2 and the 3 with that type of risk to reward. So with the 2 times risk to reward, we only need to win 34 out of 100 trades to make a profit, 34% win rate. With the 3-to-1 risk to reward, we only need to win 26%. Okay, so hit me with a 7 if that makes sense. So the point that I'm trying to teach you guys right here, is this: always have a positive risk to reward. Okay, that's always important to me, very important to me. And with that positive risk to reward, you don't need to be accurate. You don't need to be a god. You don't need a 90% win rate. Okay. Matter of fact, most of the people that tell you they have a 90% win rate are lying to you. Okay. But anyways, that's story for another day. All right. So really good trades here, guys. And then the last thing that I want to talk about is the pre-market Fibonacci, which has returned. Okay. And then we're going to do a market outlook. So the pre-market Fibonacci, guys, this is something kind of scary, actually, that I want to show you. So what I'm going to do here, this is Friday. Okay, this is Friday. Okay, this is Friday. And then I'm going to remove this. This is Friday on SPY as well. Okay, so I want to show you something here, guys. So this is let's go ahead and let's replay this on Friday. Okay, this is Friday. So watch very closely. 1, 2, 3, right here. This is the first 15 minutes of Friday, right here. Do you guys see anything on here? Look at this SPY chart. Hit me with a 7 if you see something. Hit me with the 8 if you don't see anything. What I'm talking about is, do you see a setup? Do you see any type of fib? I want you to watch this closely, okay? And I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind, okay? Yep, so there's a nice Nirvana setup there. Yep, that's true. Okay. So what if I told you something? What if I told you I went short on the first candle of the day? This one right here, the 930 candle. What if I told you I went short on this candle right here? What would you guys say? Would you believe me? Hit me with a 10 if you would believe me. So I'm going to show you something now here, guys. This is very important. Watch this. This is the futures chart. This is Friday as well. Okay, now watch this closely. So here, this is 930 right here. That's 930, okay? Right there, okay? So this right here is the same thing that you're seeing right over here, all right? It's the same thing you're seeing right there. Hit me with an 11 if you're following me right there. Do you guys understand that this first 15 minutes, this is ES. So this is the S&P 500 futures, and this is the SPY regular trading hours. But this is basically, they're both the S&P 500. However, what you'll see on futures, guys, is there's a whole story. Here's the story that happened overnight. So this right here, guys, this is 6:45 a.m. This right here, my friends, is 8 a.m. This story is not captured on the regular trading hours because the regular trading hours is not showing you the overnight pre-market price action. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay, so what we did right here, guys, so there's this channel here called Screen Share. Okay, so this is why you shorted. Yes, sir. So the screen share, we went live on Friday, shared our screen. I walked everyone through step by step on voice, okay, with my brother. And what I'm going to show you now is watch this. So let's see. I wonder if it'll let me hit a replay. Okay, yeah. Okay, now watch this. Okay, watch this here, guys. Okay. So this is the pre-market price action. Here is the high at 6:45 a.m. We take it from the high to the low. Okay, so this is the low at 8 a.m. Watch this now. Boom, boom, right there. Okay, that's the 9:30 candle. That's the 9:35 candle, 9:40 candle short. So I ended up going short right here, guys, within the first 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure I got filled on this first 5-minute candle, or it might have been this third candle here. Let me check. So right here, Fibonacci live setup, filled short. So we got filled at 6:41 Pacific. So that's 9:41. So we got filled on this candle right here. This one right here. Now watch this, guys. Boom, 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 bang. There's your winner. Okay. So within about a half an hour, guys, we made about $300 or $400 on this short. However, guys, if you look at the regular trading hours, it is not showing that story. That is what blows my mind. Okay. Look at this overnight short right here. This is where the bear already set the high of the day. Let's fast forward this now, my friends. Again, look right here, guys. 1:55 p.m. The same thing. Okay. The same 618 again came into play. Boom, boom. Okay. That right there, guys, it just mine, and it's still going right now. The market is open right now. Look, the market is open right now. This short is still playing out. Right? Hit me with a 12 if that makes sense. So I just wanted to say, if you guys want to come and watch us on the screen trade live callouts every Thursday and Friday, we do live screen shares and they're recorded. Okay, so let me show you this right now. So the Fibonacci stream recordings are saved in the Discord. If you want to come out here and you want to learn, or if you're serious about changing your life, there's honestly no better resource than this. The recording, the exact recording for the whole day is here. Come here, guys. Watch and learn. Watch me lose my money. Watch me make money. Watch and learn. Okay, that's the best thing you can do. I designed this Discord. I designed Trading Wars to be what I wanted it to be for myself. If I started trading 10 years, if I could go back in time 10 years ago, this is the way that I would want to learn. Watching live. No hindsight bullshit. Okay? So there we go, guys. So that was an awesome one right there. Boom. So 10 points in 10 minutes. If you did a full size, I didn't do a full size contract, but if you did a full size contract, that's $500 a pop. I did about four micros. So I got about 200, which was still good. Right? Hit me with the 18 if that all makes sense. Really nice, guys. So what I'm starting to see right now is heavy manipulation in the market. Look at this right now. This is after hours right now. Look, the market is already selling off right here. Okay, this is after hours right now. Look, it's live. There's heavy manipulation in the market. Heavy manipulation. Lot of, look at this on SPY. Look at this. This is the price action for Thursday. It's almost impossible to trade this price action intraday. It's just sideways. You guys see that? Hit me with a 5. Literally sideways. So now the trick, what I'm starting to see right now, guys, is outside regular trading hours is starting to be the key. They don't want the regular average Joe coming in the market. It doesn't feel like they want them to make any money. Okay. That's what I've been noticing. All right. Because I've been trading all year, and the intraday trades like this right here that I'm showing you on SPY have been absolutely garbage. Right. And this brother right here, Johnny, saying he got chewed up. It's been garbage. I've made over 15 grand swing trading, but not day trading. So I'm going back in my toolbox and I'm pulling out these overnight highs and lows, and I'm going back to the pre-market because the regular 5-minute on SPY has been absolutely garbage. Okay. So, and we just got to adapt. I mean, the market will always change. That's the name of the game. All right. And we got to keep changing. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense, my friends. All right. Okay. So we're going to do Tesla, NVIDIA, SPY, and we're going to talk about the seminar next week. And I just want to quickly point this out right now, my friends. Anybody watching this video and enjoying my content, you guys know I'm a real trader. I trade every single day. And if you want to come in the Discord, if you want to secure lifetime to the screen share, you'll have that screen share for life. If you want to secure lifetime to the screen share, I'm doing my apprentice program right now, Trading Wars Bundle Apprentice Package. So right now, you'll see it comes with 4 books, my seminars, and 100 Trade Challenge, one-on-one training with me. It's normally $800. I'm doing it for 50% off. So it's going to be $399.99. Just email me, rich@tradingwars.com, to secure that deal. You're going to have the screen share, this channel right here, for life. Okay. And I'll make a note on your file for that. All right. Anyways, let's go back to this. Okay. Tesla. So Tesla, my friends, is my #1 pick this week. Okay. So we had an inside week on Tesla, hovering right on that 618. So I think this is a make or break time for Tesla. I'm looking for calls above 178, and I'm looking for puts below 167.50, this inside bar breakout. And this right here, guys, is either going to be a double bottom on Tesla. So what they're trying to do here is push down, trap shorts like this, and then push right back up. Okay. And that'll be a double bottom 618. There's that. Or guys, this is going to go back down and it's going to retest this 100 level, which is kind of crazy, but that's the only next stop, straight down to this 100 level. So I'm ready to play Tesla both ways. Rich, do you adjust target if passes pre-market? Depends. It really depends on the setup. I always use the Fibonacci extension as my target, whether it's pre-market or not. Okay, so here we go. Here's the weekly for NVIDIA and the daily as well. So what I wanted to point out with you guys is this. NVIDIA here, this cluster of wicks, this is from about 855 up to about 900. If these cluster of wicks can hold for NVIDIA, we're going to continue higher. But if these wicks start to take out, we could see a big stop loss run, okay? And we could start to pull down. So my big play last week on NVIDIA was a Lotto Friday pick. I'm going to go back to the daily chart here. So actually, it was a Thursday, I believe. So here was our NVIDIA. And I just want to show you guys this. Make sure you're following the Twitter. If you're not, because I post free picks every single day. Yes, so this was a Lotto Friday pick right here. Let me find it for you guys. Okay. So we're looking for NVIDIA calls above 923.62. I just want to show you guys how to use these picks if you're following. And this was posted for Lotto Friday. So 923.62. We're going to go to the 5-minute chart and we're going to go to 9:30 a.m. right here. And I'm going to hit the replay. 9:30 right here. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to use these trigger plays that I post for free on the Twitter. 923.62 is the level that if we cross that line is where I want to go long. And I posted this for Lotto Friday because I had a feeling that NVIDIA could explode just because it's been on a huge run. Okay. So there's our entry, 923.62. Bang, 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 bang. There's the fill, guys. And then boom, it's gone. Okay. So what I wanted to tell you about this is we broke the level and we retested. So if you're not comfortable taking the break, you can wait for the retest. Okay. And then that was a rip. So that easily went for about 50 to 100% zero DTE for NVIDIA. If that's what you like to do, and zero DTE, that was my big play, posted for free for you guys and also posted on the YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed. All right. That's a lot. Hit me with the 12 if you guys enjoyed that. And what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about the seminar and we're going to do the lifetime Discord giveaway. All right. So I will be picking, I already have a winner actually. I picked a winner this time based on Twitter. The last winner I picked was on YouTube. So let me find it right here. Okay. So this is the winner, guys. I have already picked this person. KS Trades. KS Trades. You are the winner, my friend. I hope you're watching the stream right now. If you are, hit me with a 1. And guys, please show some love. Drop a heart, drop a like. I will be doing another giveaway next week. Look at all these scammers in my post here. You see that, guys? I'm going to go and block their ass right now. But anyways, he is the winner or she is the winner. I'm not sure. But we're going to do another one next week, okay? The lifetime Discord giveaways have been really helping my channel grow. And I'm always going to keep doing them. So as long as you guys hang around here, hit the subscribe button, comment when you can. I'm sure at some point you're going to have a really, really good chance to win. All right. So please make sure you do. All right. Seminar is next Sunday. Okay. Next Sunday, I'm going to go through my journey in swing trades over $10,000 in trading the Dragon Fibonacci swing trade pattern. So I'm going to go through it next Sunday. It's going to be at 3 Eastern, okay? 3 p.m. Eastern. And I'm going to post the Zoom link in the Discord, and I'm also going to post it on the YouTube Army, okay? So if you are a part of the YouTube Army or you're in the Discord, this seminar is completely free. And I'm going to go ahead. Is there an option to purchase a lifetime membership? Yeah, brother. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com. And I have some lifetime membership deals that I can work with you on. All right. Just email me. Depending on how long you've been in the room, I can figure something out for you. All right. So what I want to show you right now is this. If you're watching this video right now, my friends, then let me find a video right here, actually. Content right here. Okay. Boom. All right. So I just want to if you're watching this video right now, there should be a join button right here. If you click that join button, guys, it's $4.99 for the month, and you're going to get access to the seminar this Sunday if you're interested. And I also wanted to point out that members have exclusive content every single day that I post. So if you're a member, please click on the membership tab on my channel, and then you will see that I post exclusive spreadsheets and exclusive swing trades for the members. All right. So that's a little nice perk if you want to support the YouTube. And thank you so much again for your time. Please comment, like, subscribe. I want to know what you guys think about the fibs. I want you guys to let me know what you think I can do to any topics you want me to talk about. Please comment at the end. And anyone that comments will also have a chance to win another lifetime giveaway. Thank you so much for your time, my friends. Enjoy your Sunday and take care.